Down on the number of travel-related cases, and to keep more cases from spreading, Southwest Florida International Airport says the Florida Department of Health is going to start screening people at the airport. Jessica Alpern is live right now. So Jessica, when exactly is this going to start happening?
Amy, it could start happening as early as today. Of course, we only have preliminary information from the airport so far, but we do anticipate that these screenings have something to do with Governor Ron DeSantis' executive order when it comes to anybody flying in from the New York City area. So here is what we know so far. We know Florida Department of Health staff, along with law enforcement, are currently meeting travelers arriving on these flights. They're required to isolate for 14 days and be monitored by the DOH to mitigate the spread of the virus. They must complete a form regarding travel history and trip details. The DOH will then issue the appropriate isolation or quarantine order. Now, I checked the airport's arrival schedule for today. A number of flights scheduled to arrive from the New York City area have actually been canceled. However, at least one is still scheduled to arrive from JFK this afternoon. And if these are the screenings RSW is referencing, we know that the governor has said the Florida National Guard will also be on site, working with DOH staff to make sure these screenings run smoothly.
We actually had the National Guard at the check-in for the flights coming in. We're only doing the flights from the New York City area, and they're coming in. Everyone's getting processed, and that information is going to be shared with the various regions. So if you fly into Miami and you're going out to Miami Beach, then we're going to let those folks know that you're there, just so we can make sure that people are being kept safe.
And travelers are required by law to follow that isolation order. DOH staff will give each passenger a traveler card with information on what to do if they start to show coronavirus symptoms. We also know that the Florida Department of Transportation is working to compile flight data from all of the Florida airports. This is to make sure that DOH staff and law enforcement are in place at every airport as soon as any flights from that area arrive. For now, reporting live, Jessica Alpern, Fox 4, in your corner.
All right, thank you, Jessica.